Hospital.
Animal Hospital.
Animal Hospital, a game made on Roblox that has recently taken over the internet with its popularity and cool concept. In this game, you must spot anomalies hiding within the patients you treat. Does this game really live up to the hype, or is it just another Roblox slop game?
Frank, what are you doing out here?
What?
What is this?
So I can go to space.
Okay, let me see.
Okay. I'll see you tomorrow. Whoa!
Let's find out. Okay, wait. Take a photo. You look just as chopped as before. Let's put you in the database. Put you a badge. Close this. That's what you get coming to my hospital, buddy. Alright. Oh, it did not hurt, bro. Come on. Actually, photo sensitivity is like 2 times. Stomach ache? Alright. Herbs. Herbs. Let's close this door behind us. You're good, bro. Come on, get up. Wait! Get out. Get out. Stop, bro. I'm right here. Alright. You're lucky. Alright, what's going on? What's taking so long? Okay, what's good? Where are you? I didn't quite get your name. Bye. You had a stomach ache, bro. Why do you have a bandage on your head? A bandage on your head. Come. Thanks. I will be in room 4. Yes. What room 2? Okay. Catch you later. You must be the new hire. I'm Dr. Harlow. Hi, Dr. Harlow. How you doing? Some advice: if things get strange, just keep working. Okay. I will fix up the shutters and security cameras for you. Okay. Okay. Sir, you had. Whoa. Okay. Get on my. Oh, why? Alright, back. Where are we going? Best Ethan Samurai? Whoa. Oh. Hi there. Sup? I'm Emmy Feathers. Sup, man? I'm here for my appointment. Just gotta check these cameras then. You look normal. Oh. Oh, you? Okay. Can you please leave? I don't want to ask you to do this. You're like clearly not there. So, okay, we're gone. Get to go. Are you leaving? Bye. Get out, bro. You're not wanted. Hold on. Cup of joe. Oh. Okay, let's go to check you in. I'll be right back. Hold on.
Bro, people here are so weird. Did I ever give him his herbs? I don't think so. He can wait. Hey, I'm gonna just take your DNA. Sorry, I should have told you that would hurt. Hey, I'm back here. Your herbs. You should be fine in about 5 seconds. Hey, what do you have?
Luckily, we keep up right here. Ever need some treatment like this, please come back, leave a good review on Yelp. We are struggling in the business for the weird things that happen here, so yep. You can go ahead and get out, sir. Get out. Just gonna use these cameras real quick. Can you speed it up a bit? I got you, sir. Just gonna take a picture. Yeah, get out. No, thank you. Close this. Bye bye. Go ahead. Take your time, bro. It's fine. Whatever you want to leave. What is that? Clean slime.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, no, you can already get out.
Hell no, man. What the f, man?
No, thank you. You cleaned the slime. I know.
Howdy, let's go ahead and get your DNA. Or not. What's going on? Uh-oh. Set up. Ready? So we're going ahead and do this. Hardscape complete. Okay. Now what? Right here. Okay, we're going to have to check this out. Headache and dehydration. So we need headache, medicine, and IV drops. People are so rude. They can't even wait, bro. Here's your medicine. That's what all I start for. Take it, bro. Get out.
Hey, let me just. Okay. Hi, sir. Wrong room.
God damn. Oh my god,
Okay,
what is that?
I'll check you in real quick. Let's check these
Oh my
cameras.
god! What is
Yep.
that?
No, thank you. Achoo. Achoo. Oh, my bad, bro. Rejected. Me? How dare you? Grr. Oh, I thought that was the same dude. Okay, let's check these cameras. Hey. Bye-bye. Pick up the pace, bro. I don't got all day. Check these cameras. One camera down. Yep, you can go and get out. No, thank you. We'll see about that. Do me a favor, get out. Thank you.
To be honest with you, I already know someone's in here, so not worried. Just gonna look down this whole time. Yeah, you can go ahead and leave. Yeah, let's check these cameras. Weird. Weird. Very weird. Okay. I'll just check you and then.
Your coffee, you can leave, and you can leave. May I ask for a favor? For a friend? Favor, friend? You're just super soon. I'll try, but we have maniacs. Do not open. Okay. Do you mind? Well, don't worry about how heavy it is, yeah? Go leave. Gonna get you out. Appreciate it. Where? We have YouTube. A fire started in room 7. How could a fire possibly start in room 7 when no one has been in room 7? Doesn't that seem odd? Gosh, my city is depleted. Whoa, you hit that one extra hard, ain't you? Hey, so I'm sorry for the wait, Toby Lynn. Just gonna check you out real quick. You look fine. Let's check you on the cameras though. That's okay. Side by side. Okay, you're all good. Hey. Oh, what's good, man? Who's you doing to my establishment? Whoa. Yeah. Coming up in here looking like that. Thank you. Doctors arriving again? There's been a huge anomaly attack. Where? 6 people died and many more were hurt. Well, crap. Sucks to be them. Be prepared, the ambulance is coming. I'd not just have someone. Well, where are you going? Y'all joking. A mimic is eating a patient? Get out of here, boy. Herbs. Oh, just herbs. Whew. Oh, you're gonna die too. Yeah, we gotta pick up the pace. I know you lie. Oh my gosh, get out. Get out. I need coffee. We're gonna die. I am not gonna lose to no animal hospital. You got me messed up. I knew you looked weird, bro. I just couldn't, like, do nothing. Howdy. Good job. The emergency is over for now. Okay, that's good to hear. More ambulance will come. Be prepared. Here's a bonus for your work. Alright, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I've been playing for what? An hour almost. It's getting kind of repetitive and boring. So that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was kind of fun at the start, but it gets repetitive as I said. But we're gonna go out with a bang. Shut up! What? Get out, boy. You too. Are you lucky? Please consider liking and subscribing if you watch this far. You clearly like the videos, right? But without further ado, peace.